Hello and welcome to Hobson's Bay Libraries. My name is Julie and today I'm going to share a scary story with you. Are you ready? Two young brothers were at home while their parents visited their neighbours. To keep busy, they decided to play a game of hide and seek. The first brother turned his face to the wall while the little brother went to hide. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming, ready or not? The big brother called. He raced down the stairs and went into the kitchen. He opened the kitchen cupboards. Nothing. Oh well. Try. The laundry. He raced in, pulled open the washing machine. Nothing. Where to next? Maybe the bathroom. He ran back up the stairs. He burst through. Nothing. Behind the shower curtain, maybe. He reached the curtains open. Nothing. What about Mum and Dad's bedroom, he thought. He rumbled across the hall, burst into Mum and Dad's room. In the corner was a closet. I know where he is. Parting the curtains, he reached in when he heard a scratching sound. I know it's you. Come out, the big brother called. Reaching in, he felt an icy cold hand grab his arm and try and drag him into the closet. When he turned, he saw his little brother. Why haven't you come to find me? His brother called. Wah! The big brother screamed and wrenched his arm out of the closet. What do you think would have happened if he was dragged in? Do you know?